Becoming by Michelle Obama. Introduction. Becoming is a true story. It is about Michelle Obama, the wife of Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States. Michelle tells us about her life as a child, a student, a lawyer, a mother, and the First Lady. The book is about how she grew as a person and how she tried to make the world better. The title, Becoming, means she is always changing and growing. Part 1, Becoming Me. This part tells the story of Michelle's early life. Michelle was born in Chicago, a big city in the United States. She lived in a small home with her family. Her father, Fraser, was a kind man who worked very hard. He had a disease called multiple sclerosis, which made it hard for him to walk. But he never gave up. Her mother, Marion, stayed home to take care of Michelle and her brother, Craig. Michelle loved her family. They did not have a lot of money, but they had love. Her parents told her she was smart and strong. They told her she could do anything if she worked hard. Michelle was a good student. She studied a lot and always wanted to do her best. Sometimes people told her she was not good enough, but she did not believe them. She wanted to prove they were wrong. She got into a very good university called Princeton. Later, she went to Harvard Law School. But life was not easy. At Princeton, there were not many Black students. Sometimes she felt lonely and different, but she kept studying. She learned to believe in herself. Part 2, Becoming Us. This part is about love and family. After law school, Michelle worked at a big law office in Chicago. One day, a young man named Barack Obama came to work there. Michelle was his mentor. Soon they became friends, and then they fell in love. Barack was very smart and kind. He wanted to help people. Michelle liked him, but she also worried. He had big dreams and wanted to go into politics. She liked her life to be calm and planned. His life was busy and uncertain. They got married and had 2 daughters, Malia and Sasha. Michelle loved her family, but she also wanted her own job. She worked in different jobs that helped people, especially poor families and children. But Barack was very busy. He became a U.S. Senator and traveled a lot. Michelle felt tired and alone. She did not always like politics. She worried about her family and her daughters, but she loved Barack, so she supported him. In 2008, Barack ran for president. Michelle helped him, even though it was hard. People asked her many questions and judged her. Sometimes they said mean things about her, but she stayed strong. In 2009, Barack became president, and Michelle became First Lady. Part 3, Becoming More. This part is about Michelle's life in the White House and her big ideas. Being First Lady was very different. Michelle was not a politician, but people watched her every day. She was on TV and in the news. She could not live a normal life anymore. Michelle wanted to use her position to do good. She started many projects. One project was called Let's Move. It helped children eat healthy food and exercise more. Another project helped girls go to school in different countries. She also worked with military families and helped them feel strong. Michelle did not like every part of her job. It was hard being in the public eye. People judged her hair, her clothes, her body, her words. She was the first Black First Lady, so some people were not kind, but she stayed true to herself. She tried to be honest and kind. Michelle also shared personal stories. She talked about marriage problems, feeling sad, and even going to a therapist. She told women, it's okay to ask for help. You don't have to be perfect. This made many people feel close to her. After 8 years, Barack's time as president ended. The family left the White House. Michelle felt free, but also sad. Her daughters were growing up and life was changing again. But Michelle knew that she was still becoming, still learning, still growing. The message of the book. Michelle says we are all becoming. We are all trying to be better every day. We make mistakes, we feel lost, we grow, and that is okay. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to keep trying. She wants young people, especially girls, to believe in themselves. Even if you are poor, even if people don't believe in you, you can do great things. You can help your family, your town, your world. She says, there is power in being yourself. Famous quotes in easy English. Your story is what you have. It is something no one else has. Success is not about money. It is about being happy and doing good. You do not become something all at once. You become slowly, day by day. When they go low, we go high. This means be kind even when others are not. Final thoughts. Michelle Obama's story is strong and honest. It teaches us that everyone's life matters. She shows that we do not need to be rich or famous to have a big heart. She reminds us that we all can make a difference. Even though Michelle is no longer First Lady, she is still helping people. She keeps sharing her story to give others hope. She wants us to believe in ourselves no matter where we come from.
I learned from this book that becoming who I truly am is a long, beautiful journey, not something that happens overnight. I learned that it's okay not to have everything figured out right away. Life is about growing, learning, and changing step by step. I learned from Michelle Obama's story that facing challenges with courage, working hard, and staying true to my values are keys to success. I learned that even when life feels unfair or difficult, I can still rise by believing in myself and building a strong community around me. I also learned that every voice matters. No matter where I come from, I have the power to make a difference.
Hey there! If you're enjoying this video and want to improve your life step by step, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Every video here is designed to help you learn, grow, and succeed. Whether it's mastering your money, improving your English, or building a better future. By following this channel, you're not just supporting me. You're helping yourself to become smarter, stronger, and more successful every single day. So, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe, leave a comment, and let's grow together.